Okay, so here I have two sentences. You need to wash your hands, do it for at least 20 seconds. These are two simple sentences, and another way to say that is two independent clauses. You need to wash your hands is the first independent clause. Do it for at least 20 seconds is the second independent clause. These two things are linked together. I'm talking about washing your hands, and then in the second sentence I'm talking for how long you should do it for. So these things are connected. Therefore, I could get rid of the full stop and join it with a semicolon instead. Now, it's also important to remember that I don't need a capital letter for do. It's not like when you start a new sentence, so I just turn that into a lowercase, and I've used a semicolon correctly. You need to wash your hands, semicolon, do it for at least 20 seconds. Okay, let's have a look at another example. If you sneeze, catch it in a tissue, but make sure you wash your hands. Again, although these aren't two separate sentences, there are two independent clauses here. If you sneeze, catch it in a tissue. That makes sense on its own. And then the other one, make sure you wash your hands. Also makes sense on its own. They're both independent clauses. So I can join these. Again, they're to do with each other. If you sneeze, you need to wash your hands. So I can join them with a semicolon. All I need to do is to get rid of my conjunction and my comma, and instead put a semicolon. If you sneeze, catch in a tissue, semicolon, make sure you wash your hands. So in summary, to use a semicolon, first of all, you need to have two independent clauses. Secondly, they need to have something to do with each other. They need to be linked. And then I just need to use a semicolon to either replace the conjunction between the two or the full stop between the two. And I need to think carefully whether or not I need a capital letter. And I would only need a capital letter after a semicolon if it's, for example, a name or I, then I would have a capital letter, but otherwise it's always lowercase. Good luck with your work today.